Have you wondered why our knuckle crack? Well, most of the people think it is their bones cracking, but that's not true. Do you know cracking knuckles will create arthritis or inflammation in your joint? Okay, let's check it out. Now, as per this article, there was a double-blinded study performed on 40 individuals with 400 different MCP joints. Guess what they found? There is no significant difference between people who cracked the knuckle and people who didn't crack the knuckle for the result of their arthritis, swelling, or dysfunction in their hand joint. So it doesn't affect the joints in your hand if you keep cracking the knuckles as per this study.